After learning all the essential elements in Section 1, you are now ready for your first dance step, the basic step. Let's take a look at the leader's part. Leader, you're going to start with your left foot, taking a step to the left. Now let's do 2 sets of the basic a little slower. Starting with the left foot, we go left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap. Let's do one more time in a different angle. Starting with the left foot, we have left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap. Here's a close-up of the leader's footwork with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a look at the follower's footwork. You're going to start with the right foot, taking a step to the right. Let's do this a little slower. Starting with the right foot, we have right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap. Let's do this in a different angle. Starting with the right foot, we have right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap, right, together, right, tap, left, together, left, tap. Here's a close-up with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are a few additional details that you need to know. Number 1, don't take huge steps. Make sure to keep your steps small and tight. It will make your dancing look more elegant. You will also find it easier to dance to faster songs with smaller steps. It's also important to keep your knees slightly bent to create a relaxed and soft look. The last detail is one of the most important details. The count 4 and count 8 in the basic are taps, which means you are not supposed to shift your weight during those counts. And both leader and follower should be tapping with the toes. Congratulations! You now have your first dance basic. Once you have mastered this move, you can go to the next lesson and learn how to rotate the basic. Have fun dancing!